Hello, hello. We've got a new card kit. I'm so excited. So this month we are using Memorable Blooms. I love the stamp set. I wanted to use it in February. However, it had sold out. So it is back in stock and we're going to use it. And this month, instead of just the 4 cards that I usually give you, we're doing 5 cards. I got a bonus card in here for you. So you'll make 10 altogether. I will send you all the card stock you need. And if it requires, I'm looking through here, I don't think, yes, this tab, this label, I will punch that out for you. And everything else looks like, yeah, will be cut out with these dies. These are the Memorable Bloom dies. So if you want your cards to look like mine, you will need the Memorable Blooms stamp and dies. And if you already have them, then you would only order option number 1. Option number 1 will come with all the cardstock. It will come with a half pack of the, Refreshed Beauty. Look at this gorgeous paper. Refreshed Beauty designer paper. You'll get a half pack of the designer paper. You will get a spool of the white ribbon, which I love white because you can change the color. If you wanted this to be Granny Apple Green, you could either dunk it in the Granny Apple Green ink refiller, or you could take the marker and color it that way. Love that. And then some embellishments. Okay, so you get the ribbon, the embellishments, you get the designer paper, and you get the cardstock. All of that is in the kit. Option number 1. Okay. Option number 2, if you need to add the stamp set and dies on, it comes as a bundle, the Memorable Blooms stamp and dies bundle. You would choose option 2. And option 2 would be this plus all this. Okay. Then there's one more way you can get these cards, and that is option number 3. Option number 3 is the tutorial only. So if you're a demonstrator and let's say you already own all this stuff, you don't need to buy any more of it, but you do want to know how to make these cards, then you would just order the tutorial and I would send you the PDF file along with the links to the videos to your email. I do that after the 10th of March, after I've finished promoting it, then I send you your tutorial. Okay. And of course, tutorials are available at any time. Not just after the kit, after March 10th. You can still get the tutorial anytime. All right. So one more time, let's look at the cards. You mean the world to me. Thanks so much. And notice we cut it out here and then we use that piece here. Then we have You Are Awesome. We have this really fun cutout. I love that intricate piece. And then this beautiful bouquet here. All right. So those are the cards. If you need more information about these cards, send me an email, okay, Kristina@creatingwithkristina.com, and I will send you more information. If you are on my mailing list already, you will get, or you probably have already gotten, the email that has all the information with the pay buttons. I send that email out 3 times. I send it out today, the 1st of March. Then I send it out a few days later, just in case you miss it. And then another time right before the promotion ends. That way, if you had, decided you wanted to do it, but you'd been putting it off, you still had a reminder. Okay. I do that every month. I send out 3 reminders for you. So you have plenty of time to make up your mind to get the kit. Well, I hope you like this kit and that you'll want it. And always, if you have any questions, just send an email to me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.